Hi, I'm Paddy, and this is how to change your wiper blades. Let's get into it. First things first, you'll need to check what size wiper blades your car has. You can usually find this information in your vehicle's manual or on the packaging of the replacement blades. Make sure to grab the right ones for both the driver and passenger side, as they are often slightly different lengths. Now, lift the wiper arm away from the windscreen. It should click into an upright position, but keep a firm hold so it doesn't snap back. There are a few different types of wiper blade attachments, but most use a simple hook fitting. To remove the old blade, find the small tab or clip where the blade connects to the arm. Press or slide the tab and slide the blade downward towards the windscreen to unhook it from the arm. Some might need a little wiggle. Just be patient and don't force it. Carefully set the arm down on a cloth or towel if you're not replacing it right away. It can crack the windscreen if it snaps back. Next, grab your new wiper blade and slide it into place. You'll know it's locked in when you hear it click. Give it a gentle tug to make sure it's properly secured. Then slowly lower the arm back onto the windscreen. Repeat the same process on the other side, and don't forget the rear wiper if your vehicle has one. Once all the blades are swapped out, give them a quick test. And there you have it. Swapping out your wiper blades is a simple task that makes a big difference next time you're caught out in the rain. If you like this video, make sure to check out our other instructional guides. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help tackle your next project with confidence.